Hello all and welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Today I'm going to walk into Kapoor Watch Company to check out some watches which we can think of when we are thinking of gifting. Now why I'm thinking about that? Because when it comes to gifting as a category, you want to give something which is having legacy, which has value, forever. It's a legacy, it's a timeless, which can be passing from generation to generation. And it tells you stories, it talks about the history around your wrist. So it's value, which is timeless value. And I think the best gift can be a timepiece, isn't it? After all, everything is about time in life, right? Time once gone cannot return. So let's go and check out the pieces which are under 5 lakhs, because when it comes to gifting, mostly we will think of a price range which is under 5 lakhs. So gifting can be also for celebration. It can be also gifting your own self, right? Or celebration of a event for that matter. Let's go and check out. I've tried to curate a easy reference for you about 5 timepieces which are priced under 5 lakhs. Of course, if your budget permits more, you are free to indulge, and maybe in above 5 lakhs you'll be able to have more of mechanical watches. What I've been able to put together are 4 pieces which are quartz, which are from reputed brands, and one timepiece which is under 5 lakh, but yet it's a mechanical watch. So as you can see, I have made my selection, which I hope you enjoy and you like it and appreciate it. So the first one that I want to talk about is Cartier Santos, and this one is costing approximately, I think it is 4,61,000. Yes, this is the steel Santos. Well, this can make a perfect gift, isn't it, to one's own self or to any of your loved ones. The next one I have is a woman's watch, which is a Happy Sport from Chopard. I think this one is costing 4,60,000. And Happy Sport is bringing happiness, so gifting is all about that. Then I have a very interesting piece. This is like a woman can wear it and a man can wear it. It's an IWC automatic watch, Portofino, IWC Portofino. This will cost about 4,73,000. And then, of course, Breitling. This is Breitling Navy Tiger. Now, legendary success story from Breitling. This is 4,36,100. And I love the dial. Love the dial. It's got diamonds also. It's got a pink dial and it's a pastel pink color. And then, of course, Bulgari BB. I am sure that Bulgari has its own. It's an iconic brand, and this one is costing 3,80,000. So you see, you can consider all these watches when it comes to gifting your own self or gifting your loved one to celebrate an occasion. Of course, with Raksha Bandhan around the corner, you may be thinking of buying something for your sister or your brother. Well, here you can definitely look at the choice. This is for men and women, and especially IWC Portofino, it is a unisex. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do not forget to press the button and subscribe it now. Thank you very much. Do leave in your comments if there's anything more that you would like me to talk about.